because if you can do for simple example, then you can do for the hard one, right? That's what I always do.
He replied, he said, bro, what? That's worse.
Worse. Oh, okay. Then never mind. Delete column. Okay, good. Okay, so let's say you have this is the student. Okay, so actually this is score. Okay, so let's say a quiz. Student. Let's say should I use student? Let me see. Yeah, student 1, yes. Student 1, student 2, student 3, student 4. Okay, the score. Okay, so let's say the score is between 0 and 10 now. So let's say this is 4, this is 4, this is 3, this is 6. Okay.
Nice.
So
no
now,
A1.
how to do mean?
Take everything there by 4.
No, that's our normal way of doing. I want to use the formula. Okay, my goal is to use the formula. Okay, so to use the formula, first you need to understand what the formula is about. This is called the summation sign, or is it sigma? Yeah, never mind. But the meaning of this is to sum up.
Sum fx.
Okay, sum fs. So your fs is, so okay, let me explain this. Sum of fx is, you start from f0 x0 times then you plus the f1 times the x1, then you plus on and on until it stops, right? So what is f? F is frequency, right? That means how often the x1 occur. So x1 is the value of x. Okay, so now with this, I think what you need to do is you need. Sorry, actually I should change this. I just realized it should be number of students. So the number of students. Okay, actually I should put it the other way around. Now I realize. This is score, this is number of students. So let's say you only have 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So let's say the number of students who score 0 is 1, then 1 is 5,
wow,
2 is 6, then 3 is 4, so 4 is 2, this 1. So the total number of students is how much? 10,
15, 16, 19, 20.
This is 20?
Yeah.
No, this is 10. This is no, I want to make it 20. Okay, good. So 2. Yeah. I want to make 20 students. Okay, never mind. Done. So if you have this table, how do you find the mean is, can you see that this is actually your frequency?
Yeah.
Right? The frequency of the score, right? Okay? So this is actually your x.
Oh.
Right? Right?
Okay.
So how do you make use of this? Formula is, you need to find out the fx first. So fx is means f times x. So times of 0, 5, 12, 8, and 10, right? So now you need to sum up. Can you see? Summation. So this is your f. So okay, it depends. If you see this as the 0 row, then it's f0 x0. You understand?
Okay.
Yeah. So probably I should not use f0. Start from f1 now. f1 x1, f2 x2. So this is your f. So this is row 1. So this is your f1 x1, right? So you add 0 f1 x1 ma. Then the f this is your f2 x2, right?
5,
So add
7,
8.
9.
Okay, done. Stop. So I have completed the summation for the denominator. I mean numerator. So can you see this is the summation of frequency? So it means it's the F1, F2, F3, continue, so on and so forth. Can you see that?
Yeah.
So it's 1 plus 5 plus 6.
It's 20 lah, isn't it?
Yep, 20, yes. Because I make sure that it's 20.
Yeah.
How come I have a problem with my stylus? Yep, so it's 6 plus 4 plus 2 plus 2. Okay, so can you help me out with this?
Yeah, so it's, I think, 2.3.
No, I need you to help me out. Because I need this answer.
2.35. Hold on, let me check again.
Yeah, please.
Let's I use my mental sum. Yeah, 2.35. Yeah.
2.35. Okay, good. So this is your mean. Can you see? The process might be different, but the outcome is the same. Plus, what the normal method is. Okay, what the normal method we used to use is exactly. It agrees with this formula, right? It's just that you don't use the formula, then you don't know what's happening. So once again, the numerator is the summation of fx. So it's important for you to have a fx column. So fx is f times x. So f is frequency, x is the value. So yeah.
What's the mean of this? Mean of the data?
Mean the average. So the average score is 2.35.
Oh,
for this.
mean, oh.
So if they ask, okay, what's the average score of this class? 2.35.
Fail.
Okay. Yeah, fail. Okay. Next, we need to use the standard deviation formula. Okay. So one thing to note is, can you see that this is actually your mean?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
So I mean this is mean square lah. Right.
Square.
Yeah. So that means you don't have to care about this already. Okay. So now your job is to let me get this up. Okay. So what another column you need to create is, can you see fx square here? The summation of f is just this, right? So you need to create another x square here, because you need to fx square, So you need to create an x square column here.
Fx.
So x square is this one, right? X square, right?
But I thought you can just fx square this.
Of course you can do it, but I mean, let's do it step by step.
Ayo.
Then if in that case, why not you just do these two together, right? Even faster, right?
Yeah.
But I think it's good to go through the steps. So
Okay.
x square is 0,
0,
1, 4, 9, 16, 25. So then you now figure out fx square. So fx square is
0,
these two, right?
0,
Yeah. So it's 0,
5,
5, 24, 36, 32, and 50, right?
yeah.
Done. Now your job is to can you see sum up this fx square, which is you need to sum up this, right? So it's 0 plus 5 plus 24 plus 36 plus 32 plus 50 over summation of f, which is 20 just now, right?
Yeah.
And this answer, you minus the mean square, just 2.35 square. Then you square root this whole thing. Can you help me out with this? So this will be your standard deviation.
3.3275.
Really? You how? Alright, never mind. So it's, what is that?
3275.
3.3275.
Yeah.
Okay.
That's the
Standard deviation. Okay. So yes. So we have done statistics using the formula mean and standard deviation. Okay.